Hi, I'm Michael Shoshua, editor of Inside Reference Data, here with David Strongen of SIFMA after the LEI conference seminar here at their headquarters in New York. David, could you tell me a little bit about SIFMA's current perspective on the global LEI?
Yes, SIFMA is very involved, obviously, in the LEI initiative. We sit on the private sector participatory group, and we've been to a number of meetings in Basel, actively engaged in everything that the FSB implementation group does, which is the regulatory group that is working on the LEI initiative from a global perspective.
I see. And what are some of the challenges for implementation?
I think some of the challenges are, and our biggest challenge is to ensure that the current CCs are transitioned into the LEI global system. And we believe the FSB, through a number of its progress notes and pronouncements, has agreed that the CCs will transition seamlessly, and that's a critical phase of this project for us.
And David, tell me about the upcoming deadlines and what your membership is seeing in preparation for them next few months.
Yep. So again, I think most of our work and most of our preparation is with the CC utility and the FSB, ensuring again that those CCs transition. We're also working hard on ensuring that the local operating units and the central operating unit, which the FSB has mandated, will perform effectively and efficiently. So I think and also working on the business requirements for those two pieces. So I think there's a lot of work to be done. We feel the corporate governance structure will be up by March, and then we hope that the LEI global system rolls out soon after that.
Great. Thank you, David.
Thank you, Michael.
For Incisive Media and Inside Reference Data, I'm Michael Shoshua.